Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at StoneCo. This is ticker STNE. As you can see, StoneCo IPO'd back in October of 2018 and more recently has developed a nice sideways consolidative base. The blue line here is the 200-day moving average, and the red line here is the 50-day moving average. In the last couple of sessions, we've had really nice, tight price action with StoneCo. You can see the Bollinger Bands getting really nice and close here, and the stock is holding above its recent low of 37.51. Today, StoneCo printed a nice candle, a bullish engulfing candle on okay volume, not higher than average, but it is New Year's Eve. And it took price above these resistance levels. So I think we're going to look for more here on StoneCo. I would definitely have an alert set at 40.15 on STNE. That takes out this bar of resistance here. And with these nice tight Bollinger Bands, we could get a volatility squeeze to the upside. Your stop on this trade can be really tight too because you're buying it because you think it's breaking out. And if it falls below that breakout level, it's obviously not breaking out, so you would want to exit your position. Apparently, Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, has a position in StoneCo, so if Warren Buffett likes it, StockMarketMentor.com likes it too. Sign up to get videos like this delivered to your inbox at StockMarketMentor.com. My name's Scott. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. Happy New Year.